welcome to my space. How have you been? I hope you're having a lovely day. So today I've come with a brand new gist. So some of my friends, some of my colleagues, some of the people that know me have been on my head. Precious, when are you going to make content about nursing? Precious, you're a nurse, you're not saying anything. Precious, you're a nurse, a Nigerian, a registered nurse practicing in the UK as a registered nurse, and we've not even heard you say anything about it. I'm like, oh no, a lot of people are already talking about that, and you have enough of all the information you need out there, and it's not really what I want to do with my YouTube. It's not really this, it's not really that. And they're like, oh, you don't need to make it the main topic and blah 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 blah. Okay, so to cut the long story short, a lot of people have been on my neck to asking me to bring out some nursing content for them and don't take away that part of me from my YouTube content. And I've come to the thick of it, and I don't think it's, I really wanted to stay away from it because it looks like a lot of people is already doing justice to that. But then on the second thought, I'm like, okay, if my audience needs it, I'll give it. It doesn't take anything away from me. So today I'm going to be doing some little, not really a video, I'm just going to be introducing, welcoming nurses on my page. So if you're a nurse, you're welcome to my space. My name is Precious. I am a nurse. I'm a registered nurse, a graduate nurse, Bachelor of Nursing Science from Nigeria, and registered nurse in Nigeria. I'm a registered midwife in Nigeria, and I'm practicing here in the UK as a registered nurse with the Nursing and Midwifery Council of United Kingdom. So you're welcome to my space. I believe that, yes, as people said, you have a lot to learn from this space. And if really I'm going to be sharing anything about career, it's going to be about career progression. What can you do with nursing? What can nursing do for you? What are you doing with nursing? I mean, it's not just the regular, go to the hospital, take care of sick patients. There are different areas of health that there's just a lot we can do and change in our world with our profession, nursing. So I'm going to try my best to include this on my content on this page. I may not necessarily be strictly one-sided, maybe about traveling or doing this, but everything is going to be included. So I know that, yes, you want to know how I was able to go from being a Nigerian nurse practicing in Nigeria to practicing in the UK. No problem, I'll put a video together on that to share with us. I'm just making an awareness video to say, okay, I'm welcoming people looking for this kind of information, nurses, about traveling from wherever you are in Africa to Europe to practice as a nurse. What do you need? What does it look like? Career progression. What can I do with my nursing career? What can I make out of it? The whole world is going techie. How can I involve myself in it with nursing? So I'm going to start bringing up nursing content on this platform to try and cover up when it comes to traveling, comes to career progression, comes to different areas of nursing and how you can specialize in them, everything you can do about nothing. Because I'm telling you, that license is a lot you can do with it. It's not just about the 9 to 5 jobs, going in and out of the hospital, taking care of patients. Yes, that's our sole priority. We are here for the patients, but there are people that are not patients. There are people that are in the society that also needs our nursing skills and knowledge. So I'm going to start carrying us along. Those of us that are nurses, I'm going to start carrying us along. So if you're a nurse, if you have a friend that's a nurse, if your sister is a nurse, if your wife is a nurse, if your brother, husband, anybody that is a nurse, please let them subscribe to my channel, follow this page, and make sure that they stay updated, because it's not going to be the regular news that you hear about. I'm going to be releasing wholesome content, educational content, career progression content. And I have a program that I'm launching because of this massive request. So it's called I think I should just make it a different video on that, but I'll just tip you off that I'm launching my career coaching program, my nursing career coaching program. Yes, Nurse Precious career coaching program. So this is a program where I'm going to be taking up coaching sections with different on different levels. I mean, pro, beginners, amateur, anyone that you need, just to make sure that we are maximizing our nursing skills and knowledge and expertise. So in this coaching section, like I said earlier, I'm going to be answering 2 questions for you, or rather I'm going to be helping you, guiding you every step of the way to answer 2 questions for yourself. What are you doing with nursing? What can nursing do for you? Number one, what are you doing with nursing? Number two, what can nursing do for you? Number three, what is nursing doing? So you first of all ask yourself, what is nursing doing for you? What can you do with it? Do you understand? And what can it do for you? First of all, find out what it is doing for you right now. Where are you with it? Then how far can you go with it? That's what can it do for you? Do you understand? And then what can you do with it? What can you do with nursing? What can nursing do for you? What are you doing with nursing? So these questions is just the building block for this career coaching section, because if you're able to answer these questions, then we can move along. So it's going to help you discover your strengths and weaknesses as a nurse, discover different specialties and specialization and expertise when it comes to nursing, and it's going to help you make practical steps, by the way, on how to move your nursing career onto the next steps. Do not settle for less and just be a random person out there with skills and knowledge and expertise that is just there and not doing anything. For those of us that want to travel, I've got you. I'm going to be using wholesome contents and guidance on this coaching program of how you can move from wherever you are to wherever you want to be to practice. So I believe that this career coaching program is for you. I'm going to be leaving the link to the sections or to the information on the description box and on the comment section. Please do click on the link, join the page, and make sure that you follow on to get the wholesome context. And then on this page, expect more nursing context from me. I remain Nurse Precious. Please do make the most out of your nursing profession. See you on the next one. Bye bye.